Celebrate Fall 2021 is an open collaboration with Bluebird. She has a home decor channel with amazing things. It's beautiful. I would like to thank her for the invitation. We could make a fall decor DIY or recipe. I chose fall decor, so let's get started. A fall hanging on your front door sets the stage for what is in your home. I am modern, but when it comes to fall DIYs, I like what nature shows me. So this wall hanging was inspired by something I saw hanging on my neighbor's door. It just spelled fall. The orange pumpkin, the bow, the straw, the fence, and acorns were so cute. So I decided to make it for the collaboration. I picked up some paint sticks from Lowe's because they came 10 in a pack for $1. The sticks are going to form the fence. I took my scissors and I cut 6 sticks on one end to a point and lined them up in a row to represent a fence. So now it is time to glue the fence together. I laid a paint stick on the top and on the bottom with wood and hot glue, because I wanted to be really firm to stick together. And then slightly sanded the stick to make sure they were smooth and the numbers would not show through when I painted the paint stirrers. Now I'm ready to paint. I chose white chalk paint that was slightly watered down, and then I added some dry brushing with truffle Waverly chalk paint to just kind of give it a little weathered look. And then I wanted to glue a pumpkin to the fence. Now, the pumpkin that I got from Dollar Tree was blue plaid. And then I had another pumpkin that had the bronzy looking leaf on it, and so I took the leaf off of that. So I tried to use some acrylic paint over the metal, but as you know, it doesn't adhere very well and was going to take many coats. So I took it and sprayed the pumpkin with the terracotta spray paint, but it came out a little bit too brown. So after it was dry, I put some other paint on it, but it was a nice base color to paint with. I took some Deco Art Americana acrylic paint called Warm Sunset and painted it, and I think it looks perfect. I also glued my thankful sign on because I wanted it to be kind of fall but also go into Thanksgiving, and the original hanging did not have any words on it. So I made a bow to put on the top of it with burlap, brown and orange jute, and orange ribbon, and some kind of plaid ribbon also from Dollar Tree. I layered them and then I cut them to size, tied them with jute, and hot glued it to the top of the fence. The pumpkin was given some brown highlights, and I glued it to the fence with some hot glue and E6000. And then it was time to add the dried grass along the bottom of the entire fence and kind of push some up where the pumpkin looks like it was sitting in the grass. And then on the sides, I hot glued some leaves that were a little green, looked like they were beginning to turn because it's fall, and some berries and some acorns on the side. When I was done putting all of that on, I trimmed the grass on the bottom and the sides, and then I finally put the crowning touch, which is the ribbon on the top. If you flip it over, I made a jute hanger and it's all completed. And I think it looks so fall. So if you have liked what you've seen, please like, subscribe, comment if you so choose, and save. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Z9 Designs. Have a great day, and remember to smile, because you may make someone have a great day.